new stuff. So we got, this is a oil filter for diesel, not mine. We have an M Sport blue cabin filter. Yeah, this is the blue one, M Sport. Not really, it's just some Denkermann Gefrühtequalität. I don't know German, but this is the one with anti-fungal. It has silver ion technology, so I think it will do fine, better than the regular one. It also has the active carbon, so that's a nice one. Lambda sonda, universal lambda sonden. Yes, it's a Bosch item. It does not come with a specific connector. We need to connect it ourselves. We get only wires like this, but we have a full kit to connect with the old connector, and we have some instructions and these. So this is it. As you can see, this one is broken, this one is okay, this one is wiggly. So let's disconnect it here and see what is the problem. The problem is here, you can see it broke my cheap small screwdriver set, and I need to put this between and pry it out. Oh, it's going, so you can pry it out from here and just pick it up. This is the replacement part from AliExpress. It looks the same, but the paint quality is not the same. As you can see here, we don't have any color, but here we have, but it's okay. So we're gonna just pop it in, and this is it. It's working fine. Let's put this back together.
So next week I am having my first inspection day, and I don't know what to expect, but only thing that I know is that I don't have a catalytic converter and my O2 sensor is busted. So I need to replace the O2 sensor and install a universal CAT. I hope that it will do its job. The other thing is that my valve stem seals are so bad and it's smoking. I don't believe that catalytic converter will help with the smoke. I think the car doesn't have the converter because it was all oiled up and clogged, and so it needed to be removed, but nobody installed a universal one or anything. So I'm gonna take it to the shop, and I hope it passes the inspection.
Hi everyone, we have some news. The car passed the inspection, so everything is okay. Today we have a new challenge to do. As you saw, the hood is new. It was new a few months ago, maybe a year ago, I don't know exactly, but we have some issues with it. This is the factory sealer on it, and it is, you can see my dusty fingers. It's coming off and the rust is coming out. So I'm not gonna paint it today, but I'm going to protect the hood from rusting any further. I noticed that we have some dents in the hood. There are a lot of dents in it due to transportation or something, I don't know, but the dents are here, so we need to address that also. So these are the tools we are going to use. We are going to use this gun for applying the filler or primer. So we have the hood ready for paint, but not quite ready for paint because it's very hot outside and the filler is drying so fast that I cannot have a wet bed. So it has too much tiger stripes, and so on some places it's pretty rough, you can see that, so it must be sanded down. But this is not a sealer, it's a filler, so it will be sanded out. Paint job is gonna have to wait till the temperatures drop to about 20 degrees and then it will be okay to put a nice clear coat. It won't dry too early and it can get a really shiny finish. So this is up for today and see you next time.